So today we'll be discussing 5 common mistakes that students usually make when they are attempting their reading module. Mistake number 1: reading the whole passage before attempting the questions and underlining some of the words and stating them as keywords. I see a lot of students who just read the whole passage first and then start attempting the questions. While reading the passage, they underline or circle certain words considering them as important. Later on, they just read the question and read the passage once again. This will not be helpful at all in time management. This is the reason that sometimes students are not able to complete their passage within 20 minutes. Mistake number 2: not understanding the question and directly jumping into finding the answer. You'll find it weird that some students are finding the answer and they are not even clear about the question. They just read the question and jump for finding the answer in the passage, and later on they have to read the question again and again. I would suggest that you must read the question once, and you should read it with such a great concentration that you can understand the meaning of the same, and you must figure out what exactly is the demand of the question, and then you should look for the keyword in the passage and then find the answer. Mistake number 3: attempting questions in a non-sequential manner. I see a lot of students who sometimes consider certain type of questions to be quite easy to find. For example, for a student, finding fill in the blanks would be quite easier in comparison to other type of questions. So rather than finding out the questions that are before this type of question, some of the students just find the easy answers. Questions are arranged while keeping in mind the fact that they are in a sequence. So even if you are finding the question number 1 to 7 and then attempting the question number 8, it would be easy to look for the answer in the passage and then other things. Mistake number 4: giving more than required time to a question. Sometimes it becomes very difficult for a student to find the answer for a specific question in the given period of time, which means 1.5 minutes for each question at an average. So even if you are not getting the right answer in that specific period of time, you should jump to the next question and then find out the answer for the same. This will save your time. Finally, this can be the last mistake or another tip with as well. So mistake number 5: reading the whole paragraph and finding the keyword. Out of 40 questions in the reading, I would suggest that around 25 to 27 questions are just in the first 2 sentences and last 2 sentences of each paragraph. Even if you are looking for 6.5 bands or 6 bands, you can with the help of a technique in which you will just look for the keyword in the first 2 sentences and last 2 sentences of each paragraph. This will save a lot of time of yours, and then you can get a good band score. I hope you'll consider these tips in your mind and attempt your reading module accordingly. For more information, kindly visit our Instagram page, or you can directly WhatsApp at the mentioned number. Thank you.